Hello again, Gillen here from Weeks of Macklin Real Estate, and today I wanted to talk to you all about the market. The traditional spring market has really only started to take effect come middle of October, so it's been a late start to the spring market with supply and demand interest, and I've just drawn a little bit of a timeline to show how traditionally the markets do go. And the red line represents 2016, the green line is what we're experiencing this year. So usually traditionally at the end of winter in July, people start getting a little bit more interest in the property. August and September and October seem to be the months that a lot of stock comes onto the market, and then it starts to level off coming up towards Christmas in November, and then really once you get to December until sort of January, and middle of January is before it starts to pick up again. So really traditionally what we normally find is we have this dead patch, and we call it dead patch, and it normally goes from sort of December to early Jan. And that's definitely what happened. And with the dead patch, we've seen inquiries slow down, sales slow down, people stop putting their properties on the market, and buyers traditionally stop searching. However, what we found this year seems to be completely opposite. We've had a very slow start to spring. In August, September, we're fairly quiet. It only really started to pick up sort of come October to November, and now we are very, very busy. I'm having lots of new property come onto the market. We've got 11 new listings that I listed last month, and I've got 4 already this month, and we're only talking the first week of November. What I'm expecting is for the market to pick up, and then what we'll do is we'll probably find that it's going to stay steady all over Christmas, and I think this whole dead period this year of December to January, I think that's going to be gone. I think what we're going to experience this year, according to the timeline that I've predicted, because the stocks come onto the market late, I think we're going to find that the sales are going to continue all throughout December, all the way up until January. So for those that are asking me, is there still time to get my property sold? I believe that there well and truly is. If we were traditionally in last year's market, I would have maybe been advising people to hold off until early January, but because there's still a massive supply shortage in the marketplace, and we're experiencing multiple offers on properties with multiple buyers, there's just not enough out there for them to get their hands on. I think that Christmas isn't really going to have too much of an impact this year at all. Sure, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, maybe that period up until Boxing Day, New Year's Eve, that might be a little bit slow, as it always is, but I think the market's going to continue to be steady and strong throughout the holiday period. So if you are looking at putting a property on the market, the best timing is when it's right for you, of course, in any situation. But get us out, we'll have a look, and we'll give you some advice on when we think might suit best for your plans. I'm Gillen Weeks of Macklin Real Estate. Thanks for watching.